playing with in World of Warships, which this is my second video of playing World of Warships. We're going to be playing with the Ranger today, which it's quite a good ship. And we're going to be playing one game with it. Alright, let's get into the battle. And don't forget to like and subscribe to me. And if you want to download World of Warships, there will be a link below in the description. And please download it from the link because that actually helps support my channel. And if you're one of those people that help support my channel, thank you for helping me because it's been helping a lot. And I'm going to be showing you some tips on also how to play with carriers. And this does have 4 secondary weapons, which is good. Okay, this guy has a little bit of a more upgrade than me, but all I have to do is upgrade the body of the ship and it'll be fully upgraded. If I win this battle, we'll probably be able to upgrade it. Okay, let's get into this battle. Alright, so for this map, the best option you'd want to go to, some people might say, oh, just go behind the rocks, but you don't want to hide there, because if you do, and a ship comes near you, you're going to be stuck there. So you want to hide in the middle, so if a ship comes on your right, you can go to the left. Or if a ship comes on your left, you can go to the right. Alright, so let's just get our planes out. Okay. And if you're wondering why I have this red thing, that's because I had to leave a game early. Or, no, actually my computer froze because I had tons of other devices on in the exact same room. And my Wi-Fi is our Wi-Fi for my house is upstairs, and the computer's downstairs, and I had tons of mobile devices on the internet, which kind of took up the internet, so this computer couldn't get as good of internet. So that's why I have the red thing. Oh, and if you didn't know how to honk your horn in World of Warships, you press the N button. Alright, let's go find some people. We gotta go find some battleships. Okay, we gotta go over here. Oh, we gotta take her. We have a perfect target. If he's gonna go for that destroyer, he's pretty dumb. Because torpedoes are pretty hard to hit with. It's hard to hit a destroyer with torpedoes. Okay, I can tell he's not paying attention to his planes that well. Okay, I'm just gonna bring this back to my ship. Alright, I'll go after that guy in a minute. Just go after his ships. There's too many of them. We need to get some with no AA guns. There's too many of them clumped together. I have to wait until someone's by themselves or left alone. Now I'll get this guy. He's far enough from everyone else. I gotta send them all at the same time. Wait, I have to also have to send the fighter to protect them. And if you want to shout out in the video, then help support my channel. That's how you can get a shout out. And it's pretty easy. All you have to do is click the links in the description below to download games based off what I'm playing. It's pretty simple. That's all you have to do to help support my channel and be active, which you probably will, because you probably will, hopefully, if you enjoy the videos I make. So let's get this Scharnhorst, whatever his name is. Perfect target. No, I'm gonna actually get this guy. 80 guns are right there. Angle it like that. Oh no. There we go. The 80 guns from that guy's gonna protect us. Perfect. Wait. We gotta get a hit. Bring him out of the way with the AA guns. Turn to the right. Come on, turn to the right. I know you're gonna turn. Base B gotta scout that. Base B. Wait, never mind. We're getting C. We don't need to get base B. We'll return fighter back to get reloaded. Actually, I'm just gonna keep him over here. Okay, so who should I get to? Okay, I'll probably no. That guy's too. No, he's by himself, but you gotta get this guy. No, team, get this guy. And if you want to play World of Warships with me, all you have to do is just type in the comments your username and add me to your contacts and contact me in World of Warships and say I came from your YouTube channel and I want to play around with you or something. And you could possibly be in one of my videos. And you don't have to do anything. All you have to do is be a supporter of the channel and leave in the comments your username and add me to your contacts in World of Warships and ask if you could play a game with me or even be in your video, and I'll let you do that. But you have to be helping me support my channel. You have to be a person who helps support the channel. That's active and checks out the links I put in the description, such as game downloads and everything. I'll let people play with me that help support my channel. But if you're just someone that just wants to play, then you're gonna have to maybe support the channel. As you can tell, I'm at 132 subscribers, and I'm hoping we can get to 200. If we can, I'll be doing shoutouts to every single person that leaves a comment in the description. A comment in the comments. Every single person will get a shoutout. And I'll make a 200 subscriber special video. Probably do troll videos or something like that. Okay. Let's send him back. Nope, he's going in. Gotta make sure he doesn't get to us. Oh, nope. Nope, you're going back. Get back there. A guns. Wait, I'm leading him right to my ship. I'm gonna take him this way. Okay, nope. He's gotta get back. Come on, get that guy. Come on, AA guns. Ranger, get that guy, Mr. Ranger. Get him, come on, Ranger. Oh, no. Oh, no. This is not happening. No, why an air raid on me? Nope, I'm dead. We're gonna do another game if I die. Oh, I'm dead. I'm alive still. Most likely not gonna live. If that was we're losing anyway. We're going to do a different game. That didn't count. We'll just do, we're going to take that up to 3 games. I'm just going to do a gameplay of this destroyer. Then we'll go back to the Independence for one last round. This is taking quite a while. Oh, this is going to take forever. Alright, so let's do this game. Okay, let's win this. Who do we have on our team? Okay, okay, those are easy kills. I'm just gonna say this is a good guy. There, maybe we're gonna use this guy. Alright, so we're back. I'm back from the music, and we're going to be playing our second game with the carrier. And towards the end, I'm just going to troll the enemy team, and I'm going to drive the carrier straight into their area and see how they react. Most likely they'll shoot me, but maybe some people will run away. Well, let's just go. We'll do good towards the end of the battle, and then we can go crazy. Let's just go park in the top left corner, because that's usually safer than the middle, because I learned from the first battle, which it's not good for this game mode, because if you see at if you look at the top right, the enemy's going to be there, so the middle is not good for this type of battle. So I think it's better for the one base thing, like if there's your base and the enemy base. That's the mode you want to be in for that, not this mode. Alright, so let's launch our planes in a minute. We might have to launch our fighters, with our allies, though. I'm not really sure yet. First, we have to get our ship into the safety zone. And I'm the only carrier, so I'm gonna have to troll towards the end when we're winning. And we need to make sure this game goes this game goes well for us, so then I can troll at the end. But if it goes bad, I'll just troll anyway. And this ship takes forever. Okay, finally, it's almost there. You know what? Let's just start launching our planes. Yeah, we're probably just going to launch our planes. We really have no choice too, because we have to troll this good. And our ship's going to take a while to get to this zone. At least it's not the Bogue. Who should we get? I think we should get one of these battleships. We'll get that one. Wait a second. If I get that guy... Wait, I need to get the guy behind him, because I need to figure out who is better AA or not. I feel like I should get the guy behind him because he's getting shot at. Yeah, I think that's a good idea. Because the guy in front is away from our allies, so he won't get shot. So we have to go after the guy that is exposed to fire from our team. And we can just send one after that destroyer in case he tries to do anything with our base. Perfect. He has a mountain, so if the torpedoes come in from his left, he won't really have anywhere to run. He can't turn to the right towards them. He can't turn to the right because he'll get stuck on the mountain, which is good. Here comes our planes. We gotta get this guy. Wait a minute, we can't get that guy. Wait, should we, or should we get the battleship? I don't know. I guess we'll get him. The battleship's covered by two ships. So there's two strong of AA. So I think this is a good decision. I already dropped the torpedoes, so I really have nowhere going back. We need to get at least 2 hits on this guy. Perfect. Why didn't we... Oh, someone else killed him. Well, we damaged him pretty well. That was a good decision. Where'd that other plane go that did something to the destroyer? Oh, it went out of range. Okay, we'll just send him in right now. Mr. Destroyer, can you please slow down? We need to get you. Thank you. Okay, please hit him. We gotta hit him. Okay, good. And we set him on fire. That's perfect. When should we do that troll? We'll just go do it now, I guess. Maybe not. I don't know. We have to do it towards the end of the battle, though. Okay, I think it's close to the end, so I guess we'll go ahead and go. But I think we might need to wait till the end. But since it's already down to 14 minutes, I think we should go ahead and go, due to the fact that this ship is so slow. If it was a destroyer, we could go 5 minutes. And we already have 2 bases captured, so I mean, I might as well just go in. And my planes can back me up on the troll. In case the guy's a bit too competitive and doesn't understand that he should run away from 4 secondary guns. If it's a noob, they will. If it's a very competitive player, he'll charge. If he's a pro, he'll just shoot at me from long range. Hopefully there's some noobs that decide to run. Or a competitive battleship that runs right into me. Because if I ram him, he's dead. Is he gonna get hit by a torpedo? Okay, who should we get? Where should we send our fighter off to? Or when do we need it? Because I don't really see any of the planes for the enemy that we need to attack. All I see is tons of ships. Wait, we have to stop that fighter right there, because he'll kill all my planes. Come on, fighter, you gotta get there. Come on, fighter, you can do it. Come on, fighter, I know you can make it. You gotta stop this. You gotta stop the enemy. Okay, we're fine. And how many hits are we gonna get off with these torpedoes? Okay, 3 launched. Okay, okay, we got 1. That's good enough. Because our dive bombers are coming in. Or one of them. That did nothing. And they're fighting. I'm pretty sure we're going to lose this fight because that guy has 3 battleships. Or, wait, how many ships? He has a few battleships and I'm pretty sure a cruiser protecting him. So, yeah, we're probably alright. Yeah, I'm pretty sure since there's so many ships, we're going to lose due to the fact that there's 80 guns over there. Because there's like 3 battleships and a cruiser, I believe. Alright, time to do the troll. Let's go in. And I'm already getting shot at. They must really want to carry your kill. Oh no. After ships come in air attack. That's even worse. Maybe my AA guns could stop them. Are we going to make it out alive? Probably not. If we had like 10 battleships, we might. Alright, I'm dead. Those torpedoes, I can't dodge those torpedoes. This thing has too bad of maneuverability. And he shot the torpedo so close to me. Well, that's it for the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. and download World of Warships by the link below or check out wargaming.net. Alright, well, see you next video. And don't forget to subscribe, by the way. And if you want to see more videos, just leave in the comments what type of videos you want to see, and I'll give you those videos.